So what kind of challenges can 3D simulation help you with? We bring solutions out to our customers in different ways. It can start from that layout sketching, floor space optimization, fitting new designs into existing brownfield installations or into greenfield factories. But it's also more than that. It helps you to understand how to cope, for example, with new product introduction. When you're introducing new products into production, this will mean that you have a different product mix to play with, which again causes changes in how work is balanced on the shop floor. It might have a big effect on how the system is behaving under the peak production hours. And this is something you don't always see in Excel or when working just based on common industry experience. You need to have facts that supports the decisions you make to the production system. When you want to understand better how a system behaves under pressure, under changes, there you use 3D simulation. It can help you also to understand, do you actually meet the expected delivery times? Can you promise to your customers on-time deliveries in certain magnitude or percentage? And can you be sure that you will actually reach those figures and will have also happy customers in the future?